Hey guys, welcome back. So I know what you're all thinking, Pam, what is that yellow envelope doing in the middle of the shot? I know it's yellow, but there's not a lot I can do about it. This is an advent calendar and it is advent calendar season, and that is what we are doing. This year, instead of opening one of everything every day, which I've got to tell you, as much fun as it was a time-consuming, somewhat nightmare of a situation trying to coordinate all of that and get it uploaded on time last year. And I can't do that kind of stress this year. I'm already behind. I don't have 24 days worth of content worked out. We do have 13 or 14 advent calendars to open. Only one of them is not planner related, so I will open that along with like a smaller advent. Three of them are not even here yet, but they're on the way. So we are going to start today with a somewhat new to me sticker company. I have placed 2 orders since ordering the advent, well actually one before the advent, and then one after because the advent wasn't available. It was available. I missed the initial thing. I got it on the reorder. So this is from Fern Creek Stickers. Elizabeth Larson is the owner. She is on Instagram. I will try to link her Instagram and her website below. This is not sponsored in any way. So she sends the advent inside a plastic bag, inside a box, with this inside, which I think is really cute. This bag is adorable. It says Plan for the Stars. It's very cute. Comes with a nice note. And then she has this thing called Day Zero, which I guess is supposed to keep you from opening the whole thing at once. But we're opening the whole thing at once. Yeah. Okay. So here's your countdown for opening it up. And then we've got some occasional scripts here. HVAC maintenance, family reunion, winterize, my anniversary, my birthday, change air filter, flu shot, renew car registration. Yeah, these are all things I would never think to buy a sticker for. So I think that's really probably a really good idea. Is it focusing? It is. It's been such a while since I've done this. And then we've got some transparent headers. Go-to dinners. That's an excellent list to have. Brain dump, reading log, shows, books to read, goals. Very cute. Very nice, muted color palette. So that is what comes in Day Zero, and that is meant to keep you from opening it all at once. But we're of course going to do that. So let's see. We've got Day 24. Oh my. Okay. We've got a lot. So far I like everything about this except the yellow envelopes, but you know what? Some people just love yellow. Or maybe this was, this was the envelopes that were available in the amount she needed. Who knows? I'm not going to discriminate against an advent calendar over the packaging. Alright, so we're going to put our cute bag over here. Put number 12 over there, and we're just going to start with number 1. Now, there was some... Hold on, because there was a calendar I bought where you're supposed to actually open it backwards. Let me see if this was it. Okay, this isn't it. So I don't remember which one it is, but there's one where we are supposed to open it backwards. Alright, Day 1. And if it looks like I'm not using my thumb, that's because I burned the heck out of it 2 days ago. Baking biscuits. And it has a blister, and it hurts. Okay, let's see. Celestial Deco. And Shooting Star Deco. So I wonder if we're getting like a couple of kits in bits and pieces here. Alright, we're just going to pile up the envelopes over there. There's 2. Now mind you, I could be wrong, but I'm going to leave them there just in case I'm not. Okay, I don't think I am wrong. Alright, Shooting Star quarter boxes. These are cute. We know I love those scalped boxes. And Shooting Star half boxes. And Shooting Star large boxes. And I know you're all thinking, oh my god, yellow. I know. It's okay. At some point, I think I'm just going to have to get over the yellow thing because the world seems to be turning everything yellow on me. Oh, this is something small. Oh, okay. Oops, don't get stuck to the sticker. Alright. We've got die cuts. Yep. These are going to be hard to show. Okay, so we've got this one's Shine Bright. And Reach for the Stars. They're a little glossy, of course, because they're vinyl stickers. Dream Big. I like that. That's really cute. And the Big Dipper. I those. Alright, day 4. Okay, now we've got stuff for this celestial kit. So we've got, let's see, journaling A. That's cute. I like journaling kits. And journaling B. Look at that planner. That's cute. Alright, so we've got some monthly headers and brush strokes and a couple 2024s. Those are always super useful. And we've got days of the week and some arrows. And we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fonts, 6 weeks worth of day covers. Day 6. Ooh, okay, so we have a little notepad that goes with our celestial kit and little sticky notes that go with our celestial kits. They're in plastic, so they're hard to see. Those are cute, and they're nice big ones too. It's very generous. Okay, we got day 7. Day 7's a little stuck. Alright, we're just gonna trash the envelope. It's easier than damaging the stickers. Okay, so we've got washi strips. So we've got shooting star washi strips and celestial skinny washi. Oh wait, shooting star is this one, right? Oops. This is the celestial washi strips. And bigger shooting star washi. And bigger celestial washi. I like these. Day 8. Okay. Ooh. Habit trackers and days of the week. These are my favorite kinds of things. So this is for the shooting star set. And we've got 2 sets of day covers. No, sorry, 3 sets of day covers. 4, really, if I didn't see the stars. And then we've got at least 3 sets of date dots. Day 9, this is very thick. And not one to open. Okay. Washi tape jumping out at me. Bad meatball. Okay, so this, I'm gonna go with celestial because there's a Big Dipper, but I could be wrong. It doesn't say on here which one it is. So, I don't know, it's also got stars. Let's look at the washi. Nope, it goes with this one. This is the shooting star washi. So we've got, let's see if we can make it show up. Okay, so we've got like the Big Dipper kind of design on the thicker one. Looks like it's 15 millimeters, good grief. Looks like a 15 millimeter washi. Maybe it's bigger, but it's definitely at least a 15. And then we've got the smaller, probably 3 to 5 millimeter. I'm doing it again. And that's just gold stars on a black background, and that is very, very cute. Day 10. I don't know if these are sold out. They might be sold out. You could always go over to the website and check. Maybe there are extras. But I'm really not sure about that. These are transparent elements. We've got like torn corners, bits of washi, all the fun stuff for a journaling kit, but these are transparent, and that's for the celestial. And then we've got the same kind of thing for the shooting star. I'm just going to move the washi over so that I don't damage anything. And day 12? Day 11. Oh, day 12 is that huge thing. Okay. Can't wait to see what that is. Alright, day 11, we've got shooting star functionals. So we've got the small appointment boxes, or headers, depending on how you want to use them. We've got some flags and some bullets, or these lists. Okay, so these are the lists, checklists, and then we've got a couple independent bullets and flags. And then we've got the same kind of thing for the celestial. I have a feeling Emily's going to try to steal that from me because it's all purple. Okay, number 12, which is quite heavy. Or day 12, rather. Very heavy. Right. Oh my. There's more than one thing in here. Oh! Okay, well, first of all, I think I just knocked something on the ground. So, I'm going to pause for a moment so that I can figure out what I just dropped. Here's why that was important. Elizabeth, you incredibly generous lunatic. I mean that in the sweetest way possible. These are sticker albums to hold her stickers. They are nice and thick. There are many pages in here, and she didn't send just one. She didn't send just two. She sent three of these. And what fell down was a yellow envelope that had little markers for what's in here. So you could put it on the outside, or you could make yourself little tabs probably and stick them on there too. That's really cute. There's three of them. Three. Now I understand why they were so heavy. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'm going to keep that with these pieces so I don't lose it. Okay, so far day 12 is bomb. And we will move on to day 13. Not that they're all not great, but, you know, come on. 3 sticker albums and some labels in one day of an advent calendar. That's awesome. Okay, so we've got Shooting Star Journaling A. It's very cute. And Journaling B. And now we've got day 14, which is some things. Ooh, that's cute. It's a pin. I love pins so much. Okay, so we've got a little shooting star pin, which is obviously going to go with that one. Day 15. We have shooting star deco. All the stuff you need. TVs, prescriptions, laundry, doctor appointments, laptops, phones, books, cell phones, sneakers, weights, gas, all the stuff you need to fill up your monthly. And we've got the same thing for Celestial. Oh, day 16 is big too. What is this? Oh, day 16 seems to go with shooting stars, and it's like a little weekly pad. How cute is that? It's very thick too. That's good for like pre-planning or just keeping somewhere in the house until you can get to your planner. Day 17. Okay, so we've got Celestial date covers. I like these very much. Celestial sidebar. Habit trackers, Mondays through Sundays. It's as if she knows what I love to put in a sidebar. Day 18. More washi. Okay, so my guess is this washi goes with this one because I'm seeing purple. So we have a kind of purple stars design, and then we've got, looks like black washi with silver foiled stars on it. This one has silver foiled little star clumps too, but this one's just all stars. Very, very pretty. Day 19. Okay, so we've got some weather icons. They're kind of hard to see because they're very light. So we've got like some storm clouds. This whole row here is snowflakes, thermometers, sunshine, rain. Very cute. And we've got a script assortment. So meal plan, groceries, laundry, clean family room, weekly reset, grocery delivery, grocery pickup, wash the sheets, clean the bedrooms, all stuff I would probably never buy stickers for, but should. It is nice. She's watching out for us in our need to put these things on our planners and get them done. Okay, we're on day 20. All right, we've got celestial quarter boxes. Move the washi. Celestial half boxes. And celestial large boxes. I like these. I love scallop boxes. Give me a scallop box in like every kit and I will be happy forever. Well, as long as it's a good looking scalloped box. I've seen some pretty bad ones recently. We won't discuss that. Okay, day 21. We've got foiled stickers. We know I love these. Okay, so we've got foiled deco in silver and foiled deco in gold. It doesn't tell me which one they're for. And I see pieces from both, I think. So I'm going to put them over here for right now until we figure that out. Maybe they're meant to go with both. Day 22. Ooh, okay, so we've got Shooting Star bold scripts. More really useful things for our planners. And we've got Celestial script duos. So one is like regular lettering and one is script. It's really cute. Hair appointment. I need to make one of those. And we've got the script duos for the Shooting Star set. And then we've got the bold scripts for the Celestial set. Okay, we're getting down to the end here. Day 23. And this one also does not want to come out, so we're just gonna force it. Okay. Alright, so we've got Shooting Star full boxes. And a couple of big words at the bottom. And we've got full boxes. B for Shooting Star. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 18 full boxes. And then we've got these squares down here. And we've got full boxes A for Celestial. And full boxes B for Celestial. I really like these. Okay, so that is 23 days. So we have day 24, which looks like lunch that we took to school when we were kids. Except a bit smaller. There is a note. These are rolls of PET tape. There is a backing that you can peel off to uncover the adhesive. You can cut the elements apart to use as deco or use it like washi tape. Oh, these are cool. These are really cool. I've recently become obsessed with PET tapes, so this is very cool. So this is for the Celestial, and this one is for the Shooting Star. Very cool. Very, very cool. This is an awesome advent calendar. So if you can get this year's, I highly recommend. If not, look out for this calendar next year because I'm sure it will be just as good, if not better. I checked out last year's before I bought this one and it was very, very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.